The pattern has 3 sleeve options: sleeveless, short sleeves, and long sleeves. For the sleeveless version, use the armhole options marked in yellow on the image. For short sleeves, shorten to desired length, take underarm seam in by 1 centimeter and redraw sleeve. For long sleeves, measure the arm to the wrist, shorten sleeves accordingly. For color blocking, symmetrical, mark the sections on the pattern. Cut out and redraw sections adding seam allowance. Asymmetrical, draw the pattern onto a fresh sheet of paper, fold over at center front, and draw mirrored side. Mark the sections to be blocked. Cut out and redraw sections with seam allowance. Cut a gusset by marking off an 8 centimeter long section from the front crotch. Sew the gusset, right sides together to the bottom of the back. Sew the front to the back at the crotch. Fold the gusset over the front crotch section and overlock or stay stitch in place. Sew the back to the front, right sides together at the shoulder seams. Overlock the edges of the sleeves and hem using a cover stitch function or a stretch stitch on your machine. Twin needle stretch stitch is usually the best. Pin the armhole edge of the sleeves in half and pin to shoulder seam. Stitch the sleeves in place, easing to fit. Stitch the underarm seam and side seams. Turn the garment to the right side. Apply the knitted swimwear or underwear elastic or latex to the neck, leg openings, and armholes if using the sleeveless option. Hem the elastic in place using a stretch stitch.